a whole 4 minutes left. Oh no, 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to another DIY. Feels weird at the beginning of the video. I feel like it's only supposed to be at the end of the video. Anyways, today I have tasked myself with attempting 5-minute DIYs that Instagram accounts and hack accounts have labeled 5-minute DIYs and seeing if I can... Mouse. Hey, Miss. Trying to film an intro. Hey, Miss.
What are you doing?
Are you done? So we're gonna be trying 5-minute DIYs in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna set a timer and see if I can bang out the entire DIY in 5 minutes and see if they're really, truly 5-minute DIYs. Okay, so this is like a real 5 minutes. Like there's no editing, there's no magic here. I might not show the entire 5 minutes of the craft, obviously, because then we gonna end up with like a 20-minute video, but I'm gonna set my timer for 5 minutes. Excuse Moose, don't know what Moose is gonna do in the 5 minutes. It's gonna be a little unpredictable. Excuse Matt. Matt might get a little crazy in the 5 minutes. I don't know. The first thing we're gonna do is make a little hot glue pendant that you can either put on a necklace, but I've chosen to put it on a keychain. Okay, oh God, I'm nervous. Honestly, I wore a t-shirt for the exact reason that I think I'm gonna be stress sweating. Ready? In 5, 3, 2, 1, 5 minutes. I feel like this 5 minutes is gonna go by a lot faster than I think it's going to, and I'm really stressed about that. The first challenge of the video is, can I make a heart? Oh no. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, that only took 30 seconds. And, oh no. Okay, hot glue number 1 for the jump ring. Yeah, okay, like that. Ah, okay, I got 4 minutes left. It's chill, everything's chill, everything's totally fine. I feel like I haven't given my pins and patches much love lately, so I wanted to put some pins in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the backing. Cover your important orifice or holes of your face. Okay. We chill, Moose. We got 3 minutes and 38 minutes. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, so they basically just like went in and covered this whole thing with hot glue. Okay, wait, cute. Okay, I'm gonna put the first little piece in. Oh my God, we got 2 minutes and 45 seconds. I think we got this, guys. Ah! Mouse! Oh, back it up, Mouse! Roll out! This is for later DIYs. No, Mouse. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, scissors going in. The jump ring is feeling a little unstable, I'm not gonna lie. Hot. Moose, we got 1 minute left. You can't ruin this for me, man. Okay, we'll smooth out these edges while simultaneously being burned a little bit by hot glue. It's fine. Oh no, 28 seconds. Okay, the dry time. Okay, so for now, I'll just clip it on here until this dries properly and Mickey can attach it. Ta-da!
Hey.
Does that count? It's a little jerky. Oh no, I feel like the glue is still like a little bit wet. Okay, Yeah. I probably could have done a little better, making it a little cuter, but not a fail. Heck yeah. Next 5-minute DIY. Okay, next DIY I think is gonna be my hardest. So I've made this DIY in past girl hack videos, but apparently it's a 5-minute DIY. Did I make it in 5 minutes last time? Probably not. But we gonna try again. So I've got a stuffy that's actually got some like fluff already coming out of his butthole. Sorry for the graphic. Panda poop. Basically, I'm going to, how do I say this without being offensive? Remove his stuffing guts and then replace it with some rice so that you can put it in the microwave. It can be like a neck warmer or for cramps for your lower stomach, and then tie his butt off after. I don't know how to make this smooth. Basically, he's already a little bit wounded, so I figured that we would give him an upgrade and make him a neck warmer / cramp beanbag plushie. Can we do this in 5 minutes? I don't know. Leave your guesses in the comments because I'm leaning towards no. And I just sense a rice explosion coming at any moment. So I've prepped a little bit. I've got some butt tying off string here and scissors and rice, and is that not a technical term? Butt tying off string? I'm like getting warm. Like I'm not sweating, but I'm on the verge of sweating because I'm a little stressed. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. And butt opening. Also guys, I sliced my finger open this morning with scissors, so oh no, that was a lot. And fluff removal. Oh, this is coming out. Wow, this is just the saddest thing ever. I feel like I'm killing stuffies and it just tears my heart into pieces. Oh no. no, that is so sad. Also, I think you're not supposed to leave stuffing in plushies because I think it's potentially flammable. So I think just to be safe, maybe do a little bit of research or just take it all out because rice just warms up, which is awesome. Okay, rice into the butt. I probably should have gotten some kind of funnel or something. Oh man, guys, we got this. I got a whole 4 minutes left. Okay, we got a couple pieces of the rice down. That's fine. Moose, you got this. You on rice cleanup duty. Oh, dang, this is heavy. Is this a weapon? Is this low-key a weapon? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ooh. Wow, this panda has lost his body shape. A pancake panda. Maybe a little bit more. Oh no. It's like a little butthole. We got this, minute 33. Heck yeah. He looks like a fish. Man, these Instagram craft pages, these like 5-minute hacks, they ain't lying. Yes. Oh no, it looks like a little butthole. Oh well. It's his lower tail. Panda fish have 2 tails. I don't know if you knew that. Done! With 51 seconds to spare! Heck yeah, flat pancake panda! He really does look like a new species of a panda fish. All right, nailed it. Now we don't even have to hear like the terrible timer's up sound. That's the worst sound in the entire world. Everything is going officially well so far and it's stressing me out. Flashback to when I failed 4 out of 4 hacks and DIYs in that one video. What am I doing wrong? What in the actual F? Oh no! I hate everything. Good times! So I feel like this is my redeeming video of nailing these 5-minute DIYs. Also, Moose ate one of these lids this morning. So we are now down to 3 jewelry trays. So basically this is like paper mache crafting boxes and we're just gonna use the lid and then some enamel paint to make a DIY jewelry tray. So obviously this has dry time involved, but you can do apparently really cool like swirly designs and stuff in here with enamel paint. Typically, I'm not a fast painter. Flashback to Bob Ross video that took me like 4 hours to film. It's the dumbest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Whoa! That's not the color that Bob is using. Oh no. Clouds are really having a good time. Are you kidding me right now? But I think this is like less precision, more just like go with the flow creative, and I think we got it. Okay, this is cheating. Lid back on. And we going. So I watched a few tutorials on this and I just like, I feel like you just can't go wrong here. They basically just like put a buttload of paint, another really technical term, buttload, and then you like swirl it around and tap it and stuff, and okay. Wow, enamel paint is a very odd texture. And now we just tap. We only got 5 minutes on the clock. Y'all need to move faster. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh, wait, this is actually really cute. Probably sanitary to get paint in your sliced open finger, right?
No.
Maybe not. I thought I was gonna get all 3 done. I am feeling less confident. Ah! Okay, 1 done. Oh no. That consistency does not look very promising.
2 minutes.
Oh, we good. Oh, I think I put too much. They said not to be shy with how much paint you do. Oh no, oh no, oh no. The orange and this like maroon color are not mixing very well. Okay, well we had 1 success. We had 1 success already. How many minutes I got left?
1.
1 minute, okay. We're scrapping this one, we're starting again. This is what really happens behind the scenes of DIY. I feel like the 3 color ones look so good, but just not when I do it. Ooh, yep, this is gonna be a good one. Okay, this one's cute, this one's cute. Don't have the sides yet, but we're working on it. Okay, oh no, 4 seconds, 4 seconds! 1.5 trays? Ah, that's the worst sound in the entire world. I'm stressed on this and I'm covered in paint. Okay, well I'm gonna finish this because it looks pretty cute. Please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna finish this real quick. Oh my God, I'm stressed. I need a snack. We'll just leave it there to dry. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Was that one the most stressful and requires the most amount of dry time? Yes. But does it look pretty cute so far as of right now? Yes, also yes. And also none of these were, well, that one's not cute. That one is really not cute. This is the parts of the DIY that you don't see when it's not like a 5-minute DIY and trash. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and I hope I didn't put you through too much secondhand stress because like I'm still coming down from a little bit of the stress of those painted jewelry trays. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen last Wednesday's vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below. I'll also have the Amazon links to the laurDIY pins and patches if you want to pick those up. I'm pretty sure they're on 2-day shipping, so love that for us. And thank you so much to the Pretty Little Laur of the Week. Pretty Little Laur of the Week. It's like a freaking tongue twister. Thank you so much for supporting laurDIY products, and I hope you're having so much fun enjoying them and getting creative. I will see you guys on Wednesday for Goodbye instead of another Sun DIY. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know what